Hey, what is on, guys? This is Cloud here. Now in this video, I'm going to be announcing what is going to be my biggest giveaway yet. And the reason that I'm making this one a little bit bigger than the rest of my giveaways is because I got a lot of random stuff laying around that I don't really feel like selling and I don't really feel like keeping. So I decided that I'm just going to give them away because like I could sell it for like 20 bucks, but what is 20 bucks going to get me? And if I give it to somebody else that really wants it, then they'll be more appreciative of it, you feel me? So that's why I'm doing that. And I'm celebrating the launch of a new channel that I'm going to be doing with some of my friends. Some of my friends wanted to do a YouTube channel and I was down for it. So we started a group channel. It's called Friends Collective. We have 2 videos up on there right now. And that is pretty much the main reason that I'm doing this giveaway, to celebrate the launch of that new channel and to let everyone know that I have this new channel that hopefully everyone goes and supports. If you like my channel, then hopefully you guys will maybe go check out that channel. It is a group channel where we do random stuff like just talking about stuff, tier lists. We might make some react videos, make a lot of gaming videos. That is the plan right now. So definitely go check that out. So before I show the items that I'm going to be giving away, I'm going to talk about how to enter the giveaway. So it's going to be pretty simple the way to enter it, and you can get as many entries as you want pretty much. Well, there is a limit to it, but you can get a lot of entries if you guys want a bunch of entries. So all you need to go do is go to my new channel, Friends Collective, that I'm doing with my bros. Go to that channel, subscribe to it, and after you subscribe to the channel, go leave a comment on any of the videos. You can get 1 entry per video, so we put up like 50 videos and you can get 50 entries. Pretty simple. Right now, I don't know how I'm going to pick the winner. There's going to be multiple winners, so we might pick some winners randomly. We might pick the best comment on some of the other prizes. So we're probably going to mix it up. So yeah, leave your comments in any of the videos and you'll get your entries in. So to recap, all you guys need to go do is subscribe to the new channel. Links everywhere. They're up here, down below in the description, in the comments. You'll find links everywhere. And then leave a comment on any video to get 1 entry. You can get as many entries as you guys want by leaving comments on the different videos. Every time we upload a new video, you guys can get 1 entry for the giveaway until the giveaway ends, which I'm planning on ending it pretty much exactly 1 month after this upload goes up. So it should be pretty simple that way. So to double check, the giveaway is going to end on June 5th. Just to let you guys know. So let's get into the prizes of the giveaway now. So the very first prize of the giveaway is going to be this Supreme tee right here. It is the Supreme Dunk tee in the navy colorway, size large. I meant to buy this in the black colorway. I ended up with the navy colorway by accident and by the website's mistake. So this is going to be the main item of the giveaway, sorta. And for the other items, I want to set like a goal. So if that new channel hits a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to add more items to the giveaway. So the first item that I'm going to be adding is this Supreme keychain right here. It is the Supreme Harmonica keychain. And if we hit 300 subscribers, I'm going to be adding this item to the giveaway. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your pets to go enter the giveaway. And hopefully if we hit 300 subs, I'll throw this in also. Now this is going to be really out there, but if somehow we hit 1,000 subscribers, which I think is pretty tough, maybe impossible, but if we do hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the giveaway, then I'm going to be throwing in the Supreme Car skateboard in the purple colorway. Now this is the best thing I ever given away on my channel, and that's why I'm kind of setting a rather crazy goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers on the new channel. But if we can hit it, then I'll give away this Supreme skate deck right here, which is probably one of the better skate decks from this season, if not the very best deck of the season. So yeah, a little recap of the prizes. We have the Supreme Apes tee, the Supreme Harmonica keychain if we get the channel to 300 subscribers, and then the Supreme Cars skate deck if we get the channel to 1,000 subscribers. So go enter the giveaway. Like I said, all you're going to do is go subscribe and leave a comment on any video. You guys can leave a comment on every single video that we upload until the giveaway. If you guys want a bunch of entries, we plan on uploading multiple videos a week. So you guys can get up to maybe like 20 entries or something like that to get the most chances of winning. So yeah. Good luck to everybody that's entering the giveaway, and hopefully these items will find a good home because I'm pretty sure some people will really appreciate all these items, especially if you guys don't have any Supreme items, and I feel like this will be a really cool prize for a lot of people. So that's really it for this giveaway. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll answer them as fast as I can. Leave a like if you guys are excited about the giveaway, and thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to see more videos from me. Subscribe to the new channel to see my other videos, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
I told this bitch I never change. I change my hair and go viral in one day. Change my shit up, baby, punk from young Ray.